Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to show you how to say the SH sound. Shh. First, let's talk about the parts in your mouth. You have your teeth. These are your top teeth and your bottom teeth. When you open your mouth, right behind your front teeth, this is your alveolar ridge. And then this is the spot right behind your back molars that I'm going to talk about. Okay, to get your tongue in position for the sh sound, you're going to lift your tongue up so the back sides of your tongue are touching the back sides of your teeth right here. Your tongue tip is going to find those bumps, the alveolar ridge, for just a moment. Then you're going to pull your tongue tip back just a little, keeping the sides up, and blow air over your tongue. Shh, just like that. So remember, the sides of your tongue are up, the tongue tip goes back just a little, your lips are round, and you blow air over your tongue. Shh. If you're having trouble getting the right placement, here's a little trick. Say the E sound in a whispered voice, like E. Then keep doing that and round your lips, and it can turn into the SH sound. Watch me do it. E, shh. E, shh. Now I'm going to say the sh sound, and you're going to say it after me. Ready? Shh. You try. Shh. You try. How did you do? Now you are going to practice 10 times. You're going to see a mouth that looks like this pop on the screen. Every time you see a mouth, say the shh sound. Great job practicing! So remember, for your sh sound, your tongue, the sides of your tongue need to go up. The tip is going to pull back just a little bit from that alveolar ridge, and your lips are going to be round. So here's a little chant I made to help you remember. Sides up, tip back, lips round, shh. Let's do it again. You say it with me. Sides up, tip back, lips round, shh. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a good time learning how to say the shh sound. If you think you need a little more practice, just play the video again. To the parents and speech-language pathologists watching this video, I wrote a book called I Can Say the SH Sound. It's a step-by-step workbook that teaches how to say the SH sound and also the voice cognate zh. So you can download that book at peachiespeechie.com and use it immediately.